I just don't complain anymore. It's chill.
This is the beginning of the day of our messy situation. There's my brother who is actually doing something for once. We have 3 cars that we have to get sanded and painted today. We've got less than 24 hours to get them complete. We got this Cavalier, which is in pretty bad shape with the clear coat. All the way around. Should be fun. Next up, we got this Eclipse, which we actually started sanding on the other day, so that'll help our situation. But it was in pretty bad shape too. It's also getting a valve cover gasket. Then we have the wonderful little Honda Civic. It's got some rust that needs repaired. And a humongous dent on the side, which doesn't look too hot, but we're going to fix that. So, it's all got to be done in, like I said, less than 24 hours in my little ugly shop here. Which we're going to clean up first. And then here's the big job, which will be in a later video. The pain in the ass 3000 GT. But, you know, check back in later, see what we've got going on. Alright. Cool. Shop looks a lot better now. Ready to get some shit done. Brother busted ass while I was gone. Got everything organized, got the 3000 out, parked on the street. About to pull some cars in, get the sanding, and get some painting done.
Specialty tool and the specialty.
Yep, right there. Alright. Like I said, it's not the biggest or the best place, but it's ours. And we're always busy, so we must be doing something right. I'll keep you updated when we get some cars pulled in and working on them. Right, first stand. 2000 Cavalier 2.4. It's in desperate need of a valve cover gasket. Got oil all over the motor. We're going to knock this out, and then we're going to go on to the paint job on it. See what we can do here. Alright. We got it apart. Everything cleaned up. Everything cleaned up there. Inside of this engine's actually pretty clean. Brother's about got the hood done. Real close. So we're doing good there. There's my old gasket on the floor if you can see it. The lighting in here really sucks. But that's where we're at. About 20 minutes later, so check back in. Got it done. Just need to pressure wash it, make it look better. We're getting there on the hood. We'll move to everything else. We're getting there. We're going to make it. Alright, a few hours later, we got her taped off, primed, and ready to roll. Hood's done, primed, roof's primed, ready to go, trunk's primed. We are ready to lay some paint. And do a base coat, clear coat. Shouldn't have too many problems. Probably about 3 coats of color and probably about 2 coats of clear, and this thing should be done. I will post the results when finished. Looks like I got her done, guys. That's 1 down, 1 to paint left. Looks like we're going to make it. I still got about 12 hours left. So, it's going to be close, but I'm going to make it happen. Mitsubishi in the sun, ready to roll. Doesn't look half bad. Paint might be off just a hair, but Customer wanted it quick and cheap, and that's what he got, unfortunately. But there you go, one down. Look at that shine. That's what I'm talking about. Got them all done, finally. Took me some time, but made it happen. Hell of a lot better than it was. Car lot should be happy for less than $100. Came out pretty good.